Hi, my name is Cairo Eubanks and I am the founder of Bringing the Globe, an EdTech resource platform, as well as the co-organizer for the FITCE Youth Concurrent Panel this year. I started my journey with FITCE in 2019 when I co-moderated the Doing Business with Africa panel, and when I came I was amazed as an attendee at all of the countries that were being represented coming to Broward County and creating this microcosm of the world opportunities for business, for trade, and cultural exchange. And I thought it was so important that we have a youth component, which is why I organized the Youth Engagement Panel last year with the United Nations Department of Global Communications Civil Society Unit, and it was phenomenal. It's just a pleasure because I am able to bring in experts from different areas, including one of the conference sponsors, Thrive DX, is the cybersecurity IT company, to come together to share resources for the community. So for me, it's always rewarding at the end of the day to hear from some of the conference participants, the attendees, who say that they really enjoyed our concurrent panel or engagement panel and that they were able to take nuggets of knowledge to bring back into their communities.